What's up, Cham Fam? Stephanie here at Stephanie Chambers Daily. And I see you made your way back to my channel one more time. So if you're returning, thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you never miss any of our future uploads. Alright guys, this is a run right now deal. You do not want to miss out on this. And after I tell you guys about this, we're going to go over a little DG stuff. So there is a website where you can get earbuds, earphones, wireless earphones, and charging decks. These earbuds, it's a really great company, first off. I read the reviews. I actually found this deal in a Facebook group. Everybody was highly talking about this company. It's called Zenvo, and these wireless earbuds are $145. I bought a pair this morning. You can get them completely free. All you have to do is pay shipping. I paid $15 for shipping, but $145 pair of earbuds, yes ma'am. You can get as many pairs as you want as long as you cover shipping for them. You can get the wireless earbuds. You can get the wireless actual headphones. It looks just like the Beats by Dre, and they're wireless, or the wireless charging decks. This is awesome. I'm going to pop the code up that you need right here on the screen. When you go to checkout, hit cart summary, go to the screen and type in this code. I'm going to do it for you guys on the computer. That way you guys see that it works and see exactly what I'm doing. It is awesome. I saved $145 this morning. It is free. It's not a glitch. It's not nothing crazy. It is just free. Like, y'all run out and go get these headphones, okay? All right, this is not a paid promotion. It's no kind of partnership. They didn't email me asking me to do this. This is just me sharing an amazing deal with you guys. I'm going to put the link in the bio, but you can just go to zenvo.com/collections. They have the earbuds, the overhead headphones. These, I'm pretty sure these are sold out. And then the wireless chargers. So I will show y'all. They got the carbon black, $130. Tiffany blue, blush, bumblebee, and turbo white. I actually bought the white. I should have bought the Tiffany blue or the black because them are my favorite colors. But I just got the white ones. Okay, we'll do the black ones. We're gonna add these to our cart. Add to cart. Okay, it added to our cart. We're going to go up here to our cart. Come on, buddy. Oh, we're in our shopping cart. My bad. Okay, we're going to go to checkout. Okay, once we go to checkout, you can see right here it shows discount code. If you're on your phone, you're going to have to hit view cart. Or cart summary. You're going to hit cart summary. But we're going to put our discount code in right here. So I just put my code in. The code is J616ADB5Y. $0. It is $0. Now, this is just one item. We'll go back. Let's go back. We'll go to something different. We'll go back to cart. We'll go to home. Let's add the over-the headphones. They got Vanish Black Gold, Navy, Green, White, and Ruby Red. I really like these. Oh, man. I should have picked up a pair of these, too. I might just do that. We're going to add these to cart. Now, we've already put in our promo code. Uh-oh, it didn't add to cart. Let's go back. Let's go home. Over headphones. We're going to add these to cart. Item added to cart. Let's go to our cart. Boom. Okay, so our total is $279.98. Check out. Look at that. Completely free. You can get as many pairs of headphones as you want, but you do have to pay shipping on them. So you guys run out, get your free headphones, just pay a little bit of shipping. These are great products. Like I said, I Googled it, I read reviews. Everybody was raving about how good this company is and how great their products are. Y'all run out and get your free headphones, okay? So I went on and put my information in for shipping to show you guys. When you go to checkout, they're all still completely free. Now, because I have 2 items, my shipping's $35. But I got the Carbon Black Tributo wireless earbuds. Just those were $15 shipping. I'm pretty sure if you get just one item, it's $15 shipping. But if you get two, I think it adds a little bit more each time you add something. But still, $300 worth of headphones for 35 bucks. I'll take that any day. So y'all remember, this is your promo code J616ADB5Y. J616 add B5Y. Alright, so y'all run out. The link will be in the bio for you guys, or just go to zenvo.com/connections. Yeah, so I went on and looked for you guys. The wireless earbuds is $15 shipping, and the over-the-ear earphones that are wireless are $19.99 shipping, but both still amazing prices, amazing deals. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I didn't check the chargers. If y'all want me to check them, let's see. We'll go home right quick. We'll check the chargers. I'm pretty sure all these are sold out. Yeah, they're both sold out. I was going to get a pair of those and noticed that they were sold out. Wireless chargers. So this will probably be even cheaper shipping because it's only $99. We'll add it to cart right quick. Oh, I done added it probably a couple times to my cart now. Yeah, let's take one of these away. Let's take this away. We'll check out. I'm going to cover just to make sure my address don't show. Okay. It's calculating our shipping. And see, for the wireless charger, it's only $10.99 shipping. So you get a $100 wireless charger for $10.99. And all you're paying for is your shipping. Okay. Woo! A great way to start off the new year, y'all. Y'all, I'm so excited about my earbuds coming in. I cannot wait to try them out, and I'm just really excited about it. You can't beat that price. Now we're going to go over a few little Dollar General things right quick. If you did not see my video yesterday that I posted late last night, I'm talking like midnight, I posted this video. Please go check it out. It's a toilet paper deal that you can do any day this week. You do not want to miss out on it. Lots and lots of paper products for very cheap out of pocket. So y'all want to go check that out. Let's jump right on into our Dollar General deal today. Alright, so I wanted to show y'all we have an instant savings on Neutrogena and Clean and Clear. I actually love both of their face washes. You instantly save $2 when you spend $8 on Neutrogena and Clean Care skincare. They're originally $4 to $10. Be sure to check for paper coupons, digital coupons, reward apps like Fetch and Ibotta, where you can save even more. You can instantly save $2 on the wall razors or haircut trimmer. So instantly save $2 on a hair dryer or straightener brush. 25% off on all Kiss, which is lashes, nails, all that good stuff. We do have the save $2 coupon when you spend $7 on Dove. It also works on the dollar hand creams. And then there was something else I wanted to show you guys. Hang on. We have an instantly save $3 when you spend $10 on all Kellogg's brands shown here. So we have Rice Krispie Treats, Pop-Tarts, Pringles, Kellogg's cereal, Eggo, waffles, Cheez-Its, Nutri-Grain bars. All of these brands, Kellogg's, Pop-Tarts, Rice Krispie Treats, Special K, Pringles, Nutri-Grain, Eggo, and Cheez-It. Any Dawn sponges, 3-pack, or kitchen brushes are buy one, get one 50% off. That will automatically come off at the register. They're anywhere from $2.75 to $3.50 each. Hanes t-shirts are on sale 3 for $10. So it's like buy two get one free. This is great, especially if you have a silhouette or a cricket or you do sublimation or whatever. I stock up on these. My mother-in-law is always making me shirts, and so I'm definitely going to go pick up some of these. It comes in 12 great colors. Instantly save $1 on Ziploc when you spend $6 on any Ziploc or freezer storage bags. That's good for me to know because it is time to stock back up on storage bags. So that is instantly save $1. Do not forget the main instant savings that we are all so excited about. It is the instantly save $4 when you spend $20 on Cottonelle, Kleenex, Scott, or Viva. It does exclude dollar items. And we have that $1 off Cottonelle tissue and $1 off Scott paper towel. We also have a $1 off Scott tissue. Swiffer, I need to pick up some of that. So we have a $1 off digital for the Swiffer Wet Jet. I'm just kind of glancing through here. 2 for $9, it's not too hot. 2 for $11, that's not too hot. I think that's it, guys. Dollar General ain't got a whole lot going on their sales ad. They got some really good deals going on right now, though. Also, if your Dollar General has a self-checkout, this is a self-checkout deal only. I'm going to pop it up for you guys. You want to buy 4 of these white or dark chocolate Reese's. They are going to be completely free. Buy 4 of them. Be sure you have these 2 coupons that I popped up. You must have these 2 coupons, okay? You go to your self-checkout. You have to do it in this order. Go to your self-checkout. Put your phone number in before you scan anything. Scan your white or your dark chocolate Reese's Hearts. Put your number in, and your subtotal is going to come to $0, and all it's going to do is print out your receipt. So there's a little glitch for you guys. Free Reese's for self-checkout only. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got free electronics today. We got free Reese's today, and we went over some really good stuff going on at Dollar General. So I hope you all go out and get you some of those free headphones. You can't beat that price. Pay shipping only. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And we're now going to do our post notification shout out. If you're wondering how to receive your very own shout out, it's so very simple. All you have to do is follow these 5 things. First, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Once you do that, turn on that post notification bell button. Once you hit that bell button, go and like the video. Once you like it, then share it. Share it with your social media, your mommy, your daddy, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. I don't care, just share it. Once you've shared it, comment down below, #ChamFam, #done, or #post notification gang. So today's shout out goes to Miss Felicia Smith. I'm going to pop your comment up. I see you, girl. Yes, y'all do not forget to scan those toilet paper coupons into the Fetch app to get even more money back. I always forget to mention that. Thank you, Miss Felicia, for keeping us on our P's and Q's. Shout out to you, girl. I love each and every one of you guys. I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed evening. And as we always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now, and time for Remy. What are you doing? You better leave Mama's cup alone. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Did you mention a mess in Mama's room? Tell him, hey. Bone sugar. Oh, SpaghettiOs. Say, uh-oh. You trip over Mama Bittos too. Whoop it. What the shoe? Bone sugar. Go. Bye. Bye. Okay, bye. You gonna tell them bye? Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your love and support. If you haven't seen these videos yet, be sure to click on them. You do not want to miss out on these amazing deals. And as I always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now.